Good morning, children. Today we are learning about countable and uncountable nouns. In previous video we have learned noun, type of nouns, proper noun, common noun, collective nouns, form of numbers in noun, singular and plural. So now in this video we will start this topic, countable and uncountable nouns. What are countable nouns? Countable nouns are things that we can count. Counted using numbers. For example, pen, we can count pens. We can have one pen, two, three or more pens. Another example, apple, one apple, two apples, etc. Countable nouns have a singular form and plural form. They refer to things. Most countable nouns become plural by adding an s at the end of the word. Look at the example, children. I eat a banana every day. I like bananas. So here is banana is a countable noun because we count it. We can add s to a countable noun. Bananas. What are uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns are things that cannot be counted. It means that cannot be counted using numbers. So they only have a singular form. Some rice, some tea, etc. Not a counted one rice, one tea. Okay, children. For example, we cannot count milk. We can count bottles of milk or liters of milk, but we cannot count milk itself. Okay. Look at here some more example. I eat a bowl of rice every day. Rice is an uncountable noun. I drink a bottle of milk per week. Milk is an uncountable noun. She buys a packet of tea in the market. Tea is an uncountable noun. He has a cup of coffee for breakfast. Coffee is an uncountable noun. That means, children, we cannot count in the numbers. How to count uncountable nouns? We can use of partitives. Uncountable nouns can be made countable by using a partitive. We use partitives when we refer to a part of a whole. There are many different partitives. Here are some examples. A glass of water, a tin of soup, a cup of coffee, a jar of jam, an item of news, a loaf of bread, a bar of soap. We can use numbers before the partitives. For example, 2 cups of coffee, 2 glasses of water. How can differentiate countable nouns, uncountable nouns? Countable nouns. Nouns we can count. Uncountable nouns. Nouns we cannot count. As we can see, have a singular and plural form. One tree, two trees. Tree, a singular form. Trees, plural form. Uncountable nouns have only one form, no plural. Rain. We cannot say one rain, two rains. We can say rain. With countable nouns, we can use a, an or a number. A pencil, 10 pencils. So, pencil is countable nouns. With uncountable nouns, we cannot use a, an or a number. We cannot say a rice, two rice. We can say rice. Countable nouns use a singular or plural verb. Example, the book is old. Book is a singular noun, so we need singular verb is. Books is a plural noun, so we need plural verb are. Uncountable nouns always use a singular verb. Example, sugar is sweet. Sugar is an uncountable noun, so we must use a singular verb is. The weather here is great. Weather, you cannot count weather, so we use a singular verb. This is your homework. Keep learning, children. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye. Thank you.